video, I'm going to show you how you can use Python to download stock prices from Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance used to provide an option to download stock prices. So, for example, you could select Tesla. Using the profile of Tesla, if you select historical data, you would see an option here to download data to the Excel or CSV file, but nowadays there is no such a kind of option, apparently because of the license issue. So basically you can see still the prices and codes like weekly, monthly, for the last 5 years. So the codes are here: opening, closing, high, low, adjusted closing price, and also volume of trading per day or per month. But it's not downloadable. So to make it possible and accessible, we can use Python to download data. So for this purpose, we need to go to Google Colab first. As I said, Google Colab is a platform provided by Google, which gives you access to Python. So basically, you can do coding in the program in this platform. So the only thing you need to do is to actually log in to this platform using your Google account. Okay, and then when you see this, let me do everything from scratch beginning. So you can select here file and then upload a notebook. The notebook is already written, so you can find it in the link below this video, so you can browse it. And then here I'm going to upload this basically code into Google Colab. All right, so you can see this code here. So the only thing you need to do here is to select the name of company or companies you're looking for. For example, Tesla, Apple, GM, and also we can download the index. You know, the index for New York Stock Exchange. We can use S&P 500, and the trigger of this index is GSPC. So I'm going to put this one here. So basically you need the tickers or the symbols of any individual company that you're looking for. And this piece of code basically downloads the last 5-year data. If you need more than 5 years, you can change this number 5 here. Let me enlarge it a little bit. So this 5, you can enlarge this 5 to, for example, increase it from 5 to 10. So in that case, you would have 10 years data. Okay, and also if you need intervals rather than monthly, you can change this one, for example, to weekly or daily, right? But for the sake of our purpose, which is estimating monthly or estimating beta using 5-year monthly data, we are going to stick to the 5-year and monthly. So of course, if you want to download daily, you need to change it to 1 day, or as I said, 1 week. So and also this piece of code just downloads the adjusted closing price. If you look at the Yahoo Finance, let's back to the Tesla, for example, searching for historical data. You have got different codes here, including open, high, low, close, and adjusted closing price. We are interested in adjusted closing price because it takes into account dividends. So yeah, just by clicking and executing code here, you need to wait a little bit. It takes time to initialize Python and connect the code to the Python, and then it starts downloading data. Basically, we are using a package. It's called Yahoo Finance. This package actually facilitates downloading data from Yahoo Finance. And then in the left side of the screen, you can see this folder symbol. Just click on it and your data should be here, stock prices. So click on these three dots and download them. So if you back to the our download folder, you can see the Excel file is here. And yeah, so all these stock prices are here, that Apple, GM, Tesla, and GSBC, which is index. The format of date is as such. You can simply click all this or select all this column and change the format here to short dates. So as you see, we have got short dates here, and save it.